Hey guys, today we'll be installing Pulse. Today we will need Anaconda again, and if you haven't installed Anaconda, you can go to this video, and from 1 minute to around 3 minutes 30 or 40, I'll be teaching you how to install Anaconda in this video, and I'll link it down in the description. So once you have Anaconda installed, what you want to do is find a directory that you want to install, like a file directory. So this is where I want to install my stuff. I'll open up my Anaconda prompt right here, and you type cd, you go to that directory, right? And then you press enter, and since mine is on a different disk, I have to type in my disk name too, so it will move to that disk. So it'd be at this location. Now, once you're at this location, you can clone and download zip, and you just wait for it to download. Drag it here at the destination you want. You extract it, and then now you have Pulse Master here, right? So now you go into the folder, and you copy this path again, and then you go into that path, and now you're inside the Pulse repo, or your local repo, basically. The next thing you have to do is you have to scroll down, and then you have to see here. It says you have to create this environment, but before you type in this line, you have to come here and edit this specific file, and you open up, and you have to delete basically everything, the second equal line. So like this one is the first, this one is the first, this one is the second, and for the second and the rest, you delete everything. So for every second and everything that's behind it, you have to delete. Because this is, they explain it there why you need to delete it, so you can refer to that. And since we're on Windows and using Anaconda, so we have to do this. And you just slowly delete everything. Damn, this is taking quite a while. Alright, we're nearly done. And after you delete everything, you want to save the file. And you would also need to delete these packages on this list. So you have to go find these. There's the uncurses and libffi, readline. Where's R? Readline, libcxx, libfortran, and libedit. Yeah, and then you have to delete these, save it again, and then you create again. Okay, so when it says solving environment is done, and basically we'll start creating the environment for you. Okay, after you're done, copy in the next line. Conda activate Pulse. Oh yeah, mine, I use Pulse. I use the old Pulse, but it's fine. You guys will get this exactly the same if you guys didn't change the name of this to Pulse 2. And now the next thing is you want to go to your resource files. Wait, let me check my notes here. So open up your align face with Notepad, and then you scroll down. You can copy this link. You can see the download shapeshifter. Oops. And you copy this link, and then you go to that link. It'll download the file for you. You have to download this manually because usually the quota will say it's exceeded, so you have to download manually, and then you have to upload it onto your own Google Drive. So since I already uploaded, here you guys can see. Since I already have mine, you want to upload yours to your Google Drive. You can create Google Drive for free, and you get free 15 GB of storage, so it's fine. here you want to get shareable link, and then you press this, and then you can see in this link here's this thing and this thing, right? Wait, let's copy a link and paste it here. So you basically copy this, and then you replace this with your own link here, and you press save, and you have to be sure that you have to like let anyone to like view it, like anyone with a link, because you can restrict it, or anyone with links. Remember, you have to change the restrictions. And the next one is polls.py here. This file. Open it with your notepad. We close the other one because we already got what we wanted. So you basically go to this link, you download it, and then you upload it again. Same as this one. You upload it, download it, and then like get your own link basically. So this one will be synthesis, and I have my synthesis one. So get shareable link. You can see here, copying link, and then we get this part, and then we paste it here. Oh, oops, just this, and then you save it, and then there's one more. This one is for loading mapping network, right? So you go back to the Google Drive, get shareable link, copy this link, and then you copy this ID thing. You paste this part, and then save it. And now remember the restrictions, and then yeah, that's probably it. And after you finish all these stuff, I remember you can probably run this program smoothly after that. So, oh yeah, right, you have to create an input folder, input here, and then another folder called real face. Let me double check. I think it is called real face. Oh no, it's real pic. My bad, sorry. So basically anything that you put inside the real pics folder will be a photo that you want to align the face. So for example, here, let's get this one. So you want to align Mona Lisa, right? So you want to type in Python align face.py, and then it's a downloading shape predictor, and then only the first time you need to download this. Afterwards, it will automatically skip this. So that's why it's important you have the correct link. That's you can download the files that we just previously edited. There you go. It says number of faces detected, and then when this is done, you can go to your input folder, and you'll see it will be your input folder, and it will be aligned and downscaled for you. So now after you have an image in your input folder, you can type in python run.py, and then it'll basically run the program. Oh, we had to download again. So usually the first time it will take a longer time since you have to download this, but like after the first time, since it's downloaded, it will be fairly quicker, like 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on your computer specs. Here, as you can see, now it's done. So you can go to your runs folder. It'll automatically create a runs folder. So you go into it, and you can see, why is it a guy? I wonder. So yeah, that's about it for Paul's tutorial. If you have any questions, join my Discord, or you can just join my Discord for fun. Check out my main video on polls, and I'll see you guys next time.